Alright people, we picked up the paint. I don't know if you guys heard me talking with Gerardo. He's the sales guy there. Pretty cool guy. Gives us good customer service. This is the second time I bought from him. I mean, he's a sales guy, so you know, you gotta be nice and everything, but out here in Mexico I learned that people, they don't care. Even if they're salespeople, they'll still treat you not so good. But it's all good in the hood. Yeah, so that's it. We got our paint, people. Okay, so we got Aqua 100 Total. He said this one's for wood as well. It's water based, so that's good for wood. I'm not a painter by any means. So it's 929 each. Total of 1,858 pesos. Where that's about $200 or $100. So that's not too bad for paint. So yeah, tomorrow gonna get to painting. I'm gonna show you guys around real quick. There goes a cop. Shouldn't be using my phone while driving, but you know, it's Mexico. But yeah, this is the life out here in Mexico. Tacos El Chino's back there behind that taxi. These are the taxis, by the way. Well, they're not taxis, they're more like the bus system out here, public transportation. Oh, there goes a taxi right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a taxi right there. They actually have green lights. When I had got to Mexico, I thought that they still had dirt roads and no street lights, because I thought they used horses and stuff. Oh, there's a crosswalk. All right, gotta get off my phone. Another ferreteria, hardware store. That's what ferreteria means, by the way, hardware store. Did you ever hear that word, ferreteria? It's a hardware store they're talking about, or a madereria. That's the wood place where they sell wood. But yep, this is good old Rosarito right here. Welcome to my city. Been adopted into the Rosarito town. Day 2, I'm picking up material for the shed. But before we start doing that, we got a small electrical job to get to. That's another project that's in the works. 52 pesos for... We needed a special type of light bulb, and I was finally at the hardware store, so decided to pick one up as well since I'm already here. It was for the front of the house, and it came in right on time because I needed the light to be able to paint the siding. I had the breakers locked up here. ¿Tiene llave para aquí?
No, pero este llamó a mi compañero.
Ok, gracias. Me da dos breakers de 40 amperes, de doble.
40 doble. ¿Son para el medidor?
Sí, para el medidor. Eso para unos departamentos.
Dos, ¿verdad?
Sí, dos.
Esto los voy a dejar ahí en la 3. Ya más cuando pasa a pagar, de ahí los tomas.
Perfecto. Ya.
Voy a trabajar para...
Perfecto, muchas gracias. Buen día.
Dobles.
Sí, dobles.
De 40. Dos dobles de 40, poco, mucho, gasaderas y 5 metros.
Perfecto, gracias.
Sí, a ti.
Okie dokie, people. We're done. My little hammer's broke. Trying to drive in that the ground rod. But there we go. We're all good to go now. Now see if he needs to move those wires. This was the old meter right here. So they need to move that meter over here. This is after I did the electrical job. I came home and got all these panels painted up. I think it was a total of like 15 pieces of siding in total. I'm not sure why I wasn't speaking in this video, but now I gotta do a voiceover. I think it was because I wanted to do it in Spanish as well, but then I figured that's way too much work. Look at that sunset though. Gotta love these Rosarito sunsets. I didn't get that back in Vegas. Manchas, ¿qué estás haciendo? Hola. You're gonna be on my YouTube video. Va a salir en mi video de YouTube. Va a ser famoso. El Manchas. Alright. Manchas.